My name is Pawan. Today the topic that has been given to me is law and disorder. Law. When this word comes into our mind, what we first picture comes is of the either of the police station. But in actual law means that it is the laid down rule of the country for every citizen living in the country. So law can be in the favor of the person also and against the person also. So law means that if we are living in a civilized society, what will be the rules that we have to abide by and the regulations that we have to follow. So the government that we elect, they are the person who are authorized to make the law for the citizen of the country, to protect the rights of the people, to give them certain equality among all. Then there are certain group of people who disobey the law. That means that whatever the government is, first we have to understand the law. Basically, government proposes a bill, then there are various steps through which it is being routed through, and after that it becomes a law. So once a law has become, there are many certain group of people who may not agree to that particular law that has been made. So somehow they protest against it in some way that they disobey the law. So there are certain written down punishments, we can say, or the consequences of disobeying the law that they have to face through. There are certain ways through which people can show their protest against any law if they are not feeling that it is in the right of all. Right now we are seeing that many of the farmers also, they are protesting for their rules, rights. Some may be correct, some may not be correct. So that is a second issue. But the basic thing is that the main objective of making the law is to give equal right to all the citizens across the country. Thank you.